really funny, watch. I'm gonna rev my car and you're gonna see Victor look out the window. Come on, dude. Look out the window, big dog. Maybe he's in the front. Look, there he is. He's right there. He's open the window. Come out. I don't think I'll ever get tired of looking at Victor's car. What up? What are you? Hi, Victor. I don't have my camera on me. I just wanted to come and say hi. How you doing?
Great.
I forgot to have those just sitting in my car the entire time. So, I mean, why not? You can use them. Hey. Hey. You're not gonna say hi? All right. Oh, you're not an SI. Even so, though. Surprised you didn't say hi. You can hear the automatic. No offense to all you R18s out there. Let me see it, bro. Whip it out. Do you have it in your? Do you have it in the back seat? I mean, the back seat in the house, or? I can never get tired of looking at these wheels. Oh, by the way, I'm using my GoPro for right now. I'm gonna go home and end up changing. I'll get my actual camera equipment. But I mean, for now, you guys at least get to get the start of it. It's up with a lot of cars right now. GTI. All right, Victor, let me see it. Whip it out, big dog.
You whip it out. Yeah, no.
I'll whip it out for you. God damn, look at that. Did you take it out the wrapper yet?
No.
Take it out the wrapper, fool. Oh, yeah. Unequal length headers, big dog. Oh, Victor, you look so happy with that in your hand. That's what she said. That's dope. Dude, let me see inside of there. Dude, look at that. That looks dope. Tomei Extreme. My bad, dude. Here, let me do that. That way you guys can see it. Tomei Extreme. Probably the best headers out there for the FRS BRZ platform. So, dope, dude. I honestly, man, I just can't get over how good your car looks. Looks dope. So, I brought you the extensions. I'm gonna go home and change. I mean, if you want to get a head start on this, by all means.
I mean,
are you talking about those ones right there?
No. Underneath, though, that connects to the engine.
Oh shit. Okay.
Just had to go underneath.
Oh, your car's hot. You haven't turned on your car yet, right?
No. It's hot because of the sun, probably.
No, I'm asking because you could actually bend this, so it's not that hot right now.
Oh.
If it was hot, you wouldn't be able to bend it. So that, like, when was the last time you turned on your car?
This morning.
Oh, so then you're fine. Is that the other thing you need to install? Look, I know I haven't really been doing videos lately, but dude, I've been busy at work. And Mother's Day was yesterday, so I was busy at work again. But I mean, oh yeah, and I'm also moving tomorrow, so I'll explain it later in the video. You're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. Well, you have a backup camera. When you lift it, put it underneath the wheel itself.
Okay.
So if for some reason the jack doesn't fucking support it, it'll land on the wheel and you won't die. That's what's up. What's up, guys? Went home, changed real quick. As you can see, this is my usual attire when I'm not working, and Victor already has it all up. We went to the store real quick to get some deep socket. So you do need something like this. It's a 14mm. We sprayed WD-40 on majority of the bolts that's underneath right there. Victor's taking off the clips from the top. I don't think I'm going to be filming as much as I usually do, is because we really want to do this before the sun goes down. And I mean, there's plenty of install videos out there about how to do header installs on YouTube and stuff. So yeah, as of right now, we're just unclipping everything from the top, and I'm going to be taking all the bolts off from the bottom. Quick update, all the bolts on the bottom are loosened up from the header. We loosened up from the pipe that's underneath there as well. These pieces right here, there is one that clips on right there, one that clips on right there, which is pretty much these pieces. All we did was use a flathead, shimmy its way in, and stick it out. Okay, so we're trying to take this bolt right here that I just posted on the screen, we cannot take it out. It's starting to strip, and if we continue to keep trying to take it out, we're gonna mess it up. So instead, we put everything back. You can see right now, we're not even, Victor put everything back. All the bolts are back. What sucks is that that's the only bolt we needed to take out, and then we could have taken out the front pipe, and then we could have taken out the overpipe and the header itself, but we can't do it. So we're gonna go see if we can find a shop that can take that bolt out, and then we're gonna give this another try, another go, or maybe we'll see if we can get a shop to do it. I don't know. So it's pretty frustrating because it's that same bolt, and this was actually the same thing that happened to us when we were installing this coilovers a couple months ago. So instead of us trying to be heroes and trying to finish everything by ourselves, we're gonna stop, put everything back, not break anything, and gonna give it another try another day. So that sucks. Man, homie's not there right now. The guy that did my clutch isn't there right now, so I was gonna try to get an estimate from him. He closed at 6 and it's 7 right now. That sucks. That's whack. Sorry guys, shit happens. But yeah, I haven't really been vlogging, and I'm sorry for not vlogging at all last week. You guys haven't gotten one in, I want to say maybe over 10 days or so. And it's just been busy, dude. Like, work has just been killing me lately, and it's funny because I'm not working more hours. It's just that it's getting busier, and we're trying to do it in under 8 so we can avoid doing overtime. But whatever. I'm gonna just hold off right here. And it sucks because, yeah, we're trying to do everything in under 8 hours, and it's just getting busier. Summer's coming around, and it's gonna start getting busy. So I'm hoping this doesn't really end. And we were supposed to move out on the 1st. We were supposed to move into the new apartment on the 1st. Where's this guy going? We were supposed to move into the new apartment on the 1st, but they messed up. The people that were supposed to go remodel the whole apartment didn't come till the 30th. They were not gonna finish in 2 days, so they pushed it back 15 days. So tomorrow's the 15th. Me and Myra are supposed to be moving in there tomorrow, and so I'm gonna be pretty busy tomorrow. Then I find out that they're not gonna have it ready till 5 o'clock. So as you can see, my mind's everywhere right now. So, but it's good. It's nothing that's like too freaking hard to do. It's all part of growing up, so it's all chill. If I do anything else, I'll probably film it. If not, I mean, I'll probably end the video here. And yeah, guys, what's up? Fuck. But it's good. It's good. Life's good right now, and I'm almost at 5,000. You guys are awesome. I'm almost at 1,000 followers on Instagram. That's pretty cool. If you guys aren't following me, you guys gotta hit that. You guys gotta hit that follow button. Help me out. All right. Well, I'll catch you guys in another video. I'll probably vlog tomorrow. That way we can have another vlog just for the hell of it. So I gotta help Victor clean up real quick. I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Stay classy. Peace.